I tricked the YouTube algorithm to actually help me promote my video here on YouTube, and it worked. I am going to show you a particular video that I use this particular trick on and that it works. Now you can actually see the impression on this video, right? I uploaded this video and this video has done almost 200,000 views on YouTube. Now this is the impression of this video. This is how many subscribers this video has given me. This is the watch time hours I have gotten from this particular video, and this is the views that I have gotten from this particular video. You can actually trick the YouTube algorithm to promote your video, and I'm going to be teaching you everything that you need to know about it in this video, so you want to stick to the end, whether you are a small YouTuber or whether you are a beginner YouTuber, or maybe you are even struggling with your YouTube channel, right? You don't know how to make the algorithm push your content. Watch this video to the very end because it's definitely going to be helpful to you. Now quickly, let's dive right into the video. The two things that I did to make the algorithm push my video on YouTube was, one, understand what the YouTube algorithm wants. I understood what the YouTube algorithm wants, and that was why that video actually got the attention of the YouTube algorithm. Now when it comes to understanding what the YouTube algorithm wants, it is very, very simple. The YouTube algorithm wants certain things. Number one is they want people to sit on your video for a long time. They want people to come up on YouTube and then sit on your videos for a long time. Number two is that they want their audience to actually gain value when they come on YouTube and sit on your video. So they don't just want people to come and watch your content, they also want people to come and get value from your content. So if you are on YouTube and you are producing content that are actually valuable, the YouTube algorithm is going to pick on it. And if you are actually producing content that your audience are really enjoying and sitting on for a long time, the YouTube algorithm is going to pick on it. So this is the two things that the YouTube algorithm wants, and if you do these two things, you are going to get the YouTube algorithm to actually push your videos without you even making any effort. The second thing that you should do is to understand what your audience wants. Now from this entire two tips that I'm giving to you, the whole thing boils down to understanding your audience. If you understand the kind of content that your audience wants, you will be able to give them the content that they want, and they will be able to also sit for a long time on your videos, enjoy your videos, and also want to come back to your YouTube channel. So if you understand what your audience wants and also understand what the YouTube algorithm wants, you are going to be beating the YouTube algorithm, forcing it to push your content whether it likes it or not, because of course the YouTube algorithm cannot see the fact that a content is doing well, people are really sitting on it, people are really enjoying or viewing the content, right? And it will not push it. Now how would the algorithm know that people are actually enjoying the content? Is when the people are actually clicking to watch these videos, right? For example, this particular video that I showed you, when I posted it, the first 30 minutes it didn't really do well, it didn't really push, just have like 2-3 clicks here and there. And after like an hour, that video peaked because a lot of people started clicking on it, right? A lot of people started clicking to watch the video. A lot of people, the video started getting a lot of traction, a lot of clicks, right? So you want to make sure that you package your video in a way that it is attractive and it is catching the attention of the audience, so that they are going to click on it. Because the more they click on it and stay long on it, the more the YouTube algorithm is going to pick up signals that this video is actually doing well and that we are going to push it, or that this video is actually catching the attention of the audience and we are going to push it. So whether you like it or not, basically what the YouTube algorithm wants is satisfying the need of the audience. So they want to make sure that the audience that comes on YouTube gets satisfied and gets value, right? So if your videos are doing these two things, you are definitely going to be beating the YouTube algorithm. Then how can you make your videos do these two things that I'm talking about? Number one, make sure that your titles are very engaging. Make sure that your titles are something that your potential audience cannot see it and pass. Like they will want to click on it, they want to click on the video. Make sure that it is sparking curiosity, that if your audience should see it, it will ginger them to want to click on the video. It will want to make them curious about knowing what's happening in your video. Number two, you want to make sure that you are sharing valuable content, you are uploading valuable content. It is one thing for your audience to click on your videos, it is another thing for your audience to sit on your videos for a long time. Let's take for example, you made a 10 minutes long video. It is one thing for you to actually put up titles and thumbnails that really sparks curiosity and your audience went ahead to click on that video, and then 30 seconds into the video, 10 seconds into the video, they are already tired of the video. If your audience can sit on your video from 3 minutes long, you are actually doing well. The YouTube algorithm is going to pick up on that sign that that particular video has value, because for a particular audience to sit on a video for 3 minutes straight, it means there is something that the audience is actually getting, right? That is why the audience is actually sitting that long for 3 minutes into the video for a 10 minutes long video. So make sure that your videos have value. You are not just creating the curiosity and then not delivering what you said you were going to deliver. Another thing that you want to do in your videos is to make sure that you try to hook your audience for the first 10-20 seconds of your video. Do not go and use the first 10-20 seconds of your videos to be introducing yourself, because of course your audience are not patient. They don't have the time to be waiting for you to come and be explaining the video in 2 minutes after they have started watching the video, right? Make sure that the first 10 seconds, 20 seconds of your video grabs the attention of your audience so that they will be able to watch longer, right? Because if, for example, your first 10 seconds is not attention grabbing, it does not tell your audience what they are to see in this particular video, they may not click on the video. So make sure that you are giving them a very beautiful hook, a very engaging hook, not just introducing yourself, all that from the beginning of the video. If you do all of these things together, which is creating valuable content, making sure your titles are engaging, making sure your thumbnails are attractive, making sure that it is sparking curiosity, making sure that you are keeping your audience hooked for the first 20 seconds of your video, definitely your audience are going to watch at least 3 minutes of your videos or 5 minutes of your videos, or the entire video, right? Depending on how long it is and how interesting you continually keep it, because of course you want to keep the entire video engaging, whether you like it or not. You want to keep the entire video engaging, especially if you want them to watch through the entire video, because if you also want them to watch through the entire video and they end up watching through the entire video, it is also going to spark that curiosity to the algorithm. In fact, it will do you more good because you gain more watch time from that video, right? And you actually get more money. If you are monetized already, you will get more money, because the longer your audience sits on your video, the more money you may likely make from that particular video. So if you do all of these 4 things, the YouTube algorithm is going to pick the signal that this video is doing well, and they are going to start promoting this video to more people. They are going to start recommending this video to more people. You can see that from the video that I showed you earlier from my other YouTube channel, that video is actually being recommended more by YouTube. YouTube is just recommending the video here and there because people are clicking on it and they are sitting on it, like they are enjoying the content of that video, right? So you want to make sure to combine all of these tips that I've given you together in that one video, and trust me, you are going to be enjoying the algorithm just pushing your content effortlessly without you even lifting a finger. I hope this video has actually helped you. You know, if you have any questions about growing here on YouTube or this particular topic, please go ahead and let me know in the comment section. On here in this channel, we'll talk about growing here on YouTube, how to help you grow and monetize your YouTube channel. So if you are up for that, please go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel, because of course we have a lot of content to give to you that are very valuable, that you are going to definitely benefit from. Do not forget to give this video a huge thumbs up. Do not forget to leave me your thoughts about this video in the comment section, because of course I want to hear from you. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye.